Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So this is a very special message for all Stellar XLM holder, and definitely, my friend, I found this message on Twitter now. So let's see, my brother. I searched for you only. So kindly, just and only, you need to subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. So kindly, please like and subscribe this channel. My brother, first of all, I want to share, my friend, the update of Stellar XLM. I hope, my brother, this is the largest and absolutely very latest updates now. So please, USD price of, my friend, you can see here Stellar XLM price is 0.28395 USD dollar is the latest price of Stellar XLM, and you can see here the rank is 18 now, and the market cap 6 billion, 24-hour volume is 637 lakh, and you can see the circulating supply 23 billion, max is 50 billion, and definitely, my friend, you can see here the distribution is also increasing now 46.79%. This time over the change occurring last 1 hour, my friend, is going to be negative now and fails down, but in last 1 day, in last 7 days, they will completely, the price is increasing now and give you a profit. So this time over there, I already opened it the last 7 days chart, and this chart is completely showing over this to upcoming time. There is a lot of chances that they will move in upward direction and they will make you a millionaire now. So kindly, holder, please don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a very good profits now. I hope, my brother, you will be also get this, my friend, risk now. My brother, first of all, I want to share, my friend, this time, as you can see here, 11.96% profit now just in only last 7 days, and it's a really great now, my brother, because absolutely this is very good now. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time, the Stellar XLM price will be increasing if they are holder, if a short time investor, their stops, my friend, selling, and definitely if they are hold now. So this is possible. Otherwise, this is impossible now, my brother. Thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. My prediction, my opinion, I already share it now. What's your opinion? This is selling time, holding time, or buying time? And definitely hope you understand now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.